Not all food have flavor, and that's fine. Everybody has different tastes. I guess that cooking, whether people know it or not, is an art, and everybody has their own style. Okay? Anything else you learned today, Be Amazing Girl Kaya?
Everything was hers. She didn't even want to share one single toy.
Is that a very nice thing to do?
No.
So what would you do differently?
I would share and play with them.
Right, because that's the right thing to do. Very good.
But she didn't even want to. She's like, no, it's fine. She was just like yelling.
Okay, so we know that yelling is not the way to go, and sharing is.
Caring.
Good. What about you, Be Amazing Girl Nia? What did you learn today? Oh, Be Amazing Girl Nia, you got your face painted too. And Be Amazing Girl Kaya, where did you get your face painted? At the event. And then Lady did an excellent job. Look at that. Let me see. Nice. Very nice. So today, did you have fun? And what was your favorite part?
My favorite.
Oh, okay. Let's see.
The background is blank, so I need to work.
Nice. Look at those curls and beautiful brown skin. Very nice. Can you tell us about your painting?
Well, it's supposed to be like that.
Oh, you made it up. Nice. It sounds really interesting. Okay, maybe. I can't wait to hear the stories whenever you're ready to tell us the story about the 3 light stars.
I'm ready.
Stars. Nice. Okay, and what was your favorite part of the story, Be Amazing Girl Nia? I mean, yes, events, her favorite part of the event. So used to saying stories. The reading, when you read to children younger than you, your age and older. So you read to different age groups. How was it like? Were you scared at first a little bit?
No.
No? It was fun?
I'm scared of
Yeah, so
everything.
you have to be able to read even if it's peace and quiet or if it's a lot of sounds and distraction. You should always be ready. And you got to use your creativity because sometimes things are not perfect the way you want it to be. So you have to make it there. Make it the best you can. Okay? Okay. Thank you, Be Amazing Girls. Thank you for having me on your channel. Well, at least having my voice on your channel.
Oh, brother.
Thank you, everybody. Go out there and be amazing. Go out there and be amazing.